140 years in prison. That's the sentence for a DeKalb County man convicted of molesting his 5-month-old twins.
Officials call this one of the most horrific and complex cases the county has ever seen. And now, for the first time, the detective who worked the case is sharing his insight with our Taylor Williams. Taylor.
Brady Thomas is now the DeKalb County Sheriff, but this case has stuck with him. During our interview, he was emotional at times, and as the details of the case are just so graphic that those in the courtroom struggled to process and comprehend what happened.
It's absolutely the most rewarding part of being a detective was getting justice for the victims.
Sheriff Brady Thomas has been following the case of Billy Burrow Jr. from the time it hit his desk as a detective in October of 2021. Thursday, he sat in the DeKalb County Courthouse to learn that Burrow will spend the rest of his life behind bars.
I would describe it as probably unimaginable to most people, the details and the things that people will do or want to do and the things that unfortunately do happen.
Back in October of 2021, Burrow was home alone with his twin 5-month-olds when investigators say he called the twins' mother to come home. When she got there, the baby girl was unresponsive. She was flown down to Riley, where doctors found that she had catastrophic and traumatic injuries. Both parents agreed to give up their cell phones. Investigators say the two sent disturbing, sexually explicit text messages about their children.
It was saddening.
In June, a jury found Burrow guilty of 6 felony charges, including child molestation, child exploitation, and neglect of a child. On Thursday, Burrow learned he will spend 140 years behind bars. The twins' mother was already sentenced to 20 years. Inside the courtroom, staff from the Indiana Department of Child Services testified the twins suffered, quote, unspeakable injuries from the person who was supposed to protect them. In court today, Burrow said that he was innocent. He even argued with the judge about the jury's ruling. Before handing down the 140-year sentence, the judge told the courtroom that it is clear that, quote, Burrow cannot be trusted to be in the community. Taylor Williams, 21 Alive News.